True exploration has no shortcuts. Meet the DURO series by TRE Camping, our flagship vertical lift rooftop tent, born as a tribute to the hardcore outdoor spirit. The striking contrast between its precision-engineered black shell and the desert tan interior isn't just about tactical aesthetics, it's a badge of professionalism that stands tall and unyielding in the heart of the wilderness. The DURO features a manual vertical lift system paired with a precision mechanical assist structure, allowing a single person to set it up elegantly in just seconds. This vertical lift logic ensures that even in extreme sandstorms or high altitude environments, the system remains incredibly stable and rock solid. Protection is the core promise the DURO makes to every adventurer. We strictly selected 280-gram high-spec polyester fabric for the exterior. It's incredibly dense and tough. It doesn't just shrug off heavy rain and harsh UV rays, it also strikes a perfect balance between a heavy-duty feel and breathability. It's designed to keep the elements out, ensuring the harsh weather stays outside while your living space remains completely protected. The built-in distribution panel features dual USB ports and a 12-volt cigarette lighter socket, keeping your phone charging, fans running, and all your gadgets organized. This is where space is truly set free. The all-new vertical lift structure breaks away from the height limits of traditional fold-out tents, drastically increasing the interior overhead clearance. Paired with the desert tan interior that pulls in warm, natural light, it completely eliminates that cramped feeling. Instead, it gives you the spaciousness and ease of a mobile living room. With the DURO Camping, it's no longer about squeezing in, it's about moving in with total comfort. From here on out, the view is yours to command. The four-sided panoramic window design gives the DURO an unrivaled wide-angled field of vision. With a 360-degree unobstructed view, the Milky Way, seas of clouds and vast deserts all become your personal wallpaper. That incredible sense of openness truly blurs the line between you and the great outdoors. Every touchpoint is a testament to quality. The built-in high CRI LED lighting brightens up your evenings with a warm, natural glow, while the standard 5cm high-density memory foam mattress provides that perfect ergonomic support. Inside the DURO, high-tech functionality and home-like comfort live in perfect harmony. We've also added a supportive backrest for inside the tent for a more comfortable posture. When open, it offers a luxurious capacity of 210 by 130 by 90 centimetres, yet folds down into an ultra-slim, streamlined profile just 35 centimetres thick. The DURO series delivers maximum living space while effectively cutting down wind resistance on the road. It's a perfect match for any all-terrain adventure, your ultimate all-round base camp for exploring the unknown. At TRE4X4, our mission is to empower your passion for the outdoors through unwavering professionalism and reliability. We are now officially opening partnership opportunities for the DURO series nationwide. For full technical specifications and business policies, please visit our official website at www.tre4x4.com. Let's join forces and unlock the infinite possibilities of the great outdoors together.